Hello. For my second journal entry, I wanted to dive into a deeper detail of the Instructure community. One cool thing I picked up on within the Instructure community this week and last week is they have groups. Now, within the community, you have the general forum where questions can be asked, but they also allow these subgroups. And a subgroup that I use greatly within my career is the higher ed Canvas users group. And this group is full of knowledge and resources beyond anywhere else I can find. I've had a lot of answers to questions by people from other higher education institutions all over the globe. Some of these institutions pertain to Harvard, Yale, Princeton, Penn State, Cornell, NYU, you name it. There's probably a user in here with a username that's very active. Um, I wanted to show to the class a topic that I thought was really cool. So right here, Canvas is working on implementing a syllabus management tool feedback. And what they want is they want to hear from other instructional designers and educational technologists how this tool is working and what kind of feedback they would like to provide within the development of this. And that's one of the many things that Instructure does that makes Canvas a really good LMS is that they develop these tools, and when they implement them, they ask for critical feedback and critiques and comments from the Canvas community to help better make that implementation as best as possible for the Canvas system. And that's something I really appreciate because us as instructional designers and educators, we're going to be using that tool. So who's better to ask than the actual people that are going to be using it? So I want to go over this topic. So we click on that, and as we see here from the community contributor, James works for Instructure and he's part of the design team, and he shared with us a week ago. We are preparing to adopt a syllabus management tool and wanted to know if anyone else is willing to share what tools and processes that they are using to manage syllabi across their college, university, and or feedback in your experience with the tools and processes. We know Simple Syllabus is one of the Instructure partners, and there are some other tools, companies that aren't currently Instructure partners. So, as we see here, Chris replies, they use Simple Syllabus at our college, and it's pretty new to them, but they are willing to learn more. And that's very interesting to see. And they provide some feedback on how they can actually use this from semester to semester. And I thought that was really cool. And then if we go down here, we see they break down in bullet points important details. So, and then also here we have another community participant, and they explain they've been using this add-on that Instructure wants to implement overall. And, they provide the positive feedback, and you can see people are liking each topic and post, and it's just an overall professional forum, and people get answers. I haven't seen yet within the overall Instructure community of any topic not getting a reply, and to add to that, a timely reply as well. Um, and that's why I really think it's interesting to see what else I will discover in this learning community within the next couple weeks for my journal entries. For anyone that is an instructional designer or an educational technologist and you don't use Canvas, I would still suggest coming in here and looking around and seeing what topics are available, because I've seen a number of topics just based on instructional design methods and what works and what doesn't. And also, um, during the pandemic, there was a variety of topics that came in, and they're still here. So you can definitely revert back and see what people did back then and see how you can fit it into your modules today. So that's my second journal entry. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.